upbeat music playing. Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for no-nonsense product comparisons to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg of aerial footage. Or at least, that's what they claim. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the ATTOP drone. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies, and which one might just crash and burn. Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Cut to split screen with Ruko U11S on the left and ATTOP drone on the right. First up, let's talk about the price. Ruko U11S comes in at a wallet-draining $283. I mean, for that price, it better come with a butler named Jeeves to fly it for you. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone is a much more budget-friendly $109. You could buy two ATTOPs and still have enough left over for a pizza night. If you're not looking to break the bank, ATTOP's already got a head start. Price tags pop up on each side of the screen. Now, let's zoom into camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. That's right, folks, 4K. You can see every leaf on a tree and every regret on your ex's face when you post those epic aerial shots. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone gives you a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees FOV. It's decent, but let's be honest, it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. Reviewers love the Ruko's sharp and clear images, while the ATTOP's camera is seen as just okay. If you want those crystal clear, jealousy-inducing shots, Ruko's your guy. Camera specifications pop up on each side. Next up, flight time. Ruko's intelligent battery gives you a solid 20 minutes of flight time. And with an extra battery, you get a total of 40 minutes. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and maybe even catch your neighbor doing something embarrassing. ATTOP, with its 3 rechargeable batteries, offers 30 minutes in total. It's like running a marathon with bathroom breaks. Good, but not quite marathon material. Flight time details pop up. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. The Ruko U11S is marketed as the ideal choice for beginners. It even has a transmitter that charges directly. No more hunting for AA batteries like you're on a scavenger hunt. ATTOP offers one key return, altitude hold, and even voice control through its app. You can literally talk to it. Hey drone, come back. Reviewers appreciate Ruko's beginner-friendly design, while ATTOP is praised for its user-friendly features. Ruko might be beginner-friendly, but ATTOP is like that reliable friend who always knows what to do. Ease of use features pop up. Portability is a big deal if you want to take your drone on adventures. The Ruko U11S folds down to the size of a mobile phone. You can slip it into your pocket and be ready for a spontaneous flight session. The ATTOP drone also folds and comes with a carrying case. It's like a mini suitcase for your drone. Both are travel-friendly, but Ruko is slightly more compact. Portability features pop up. Last but not least, customer service. Ruko offers a 30-day return and 90-day free warranty. Plus, they have a customer support team ready to answer your FAA-related questions. It's like having a personal drone concierge. ATTOP doesn't mention any specific customer service perks, but reviewers have noted quick responses and replacements when issues arise. Let's hope they're not ghosting us when we need them. Customer service details pop up. Summarizing the reviews, the Ruko U11S is praised for its high-quality camera, long flight time, and beginner-friendly design, making it a solid choice for both new and experienced users. However, some reviewers suggest improvements in durability. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and responsive customer service, though it has faced some issues with malfunctioning parts. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, depending on what you're looking for. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Ruko U11S is the high-end, feature-packed drone that'll make you feel like a pro. But if you're on a budget and still want to have a blast, the ATTOP drone is a solid choice. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Upbeat music playing, screen fades out with Buy Smart logo and subscribe button.